Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create an account for your colleagues who have never had access to STAR before. So user access management is automated now in order to streamline your requests and make it easier for you to create new ones. You'll need to have an existing STAR account in order to help your colleagues. So for the purpose of this video, I will use a test one. So once you are in, you have to look for access management, and in case you don't have it, you go to more and click on customize tabs. So here on the left, you have to look for it, is this one, and with the arrow, you bring it to the right. But this has already been done for me because I have it here. So I will click on cancel, but you will have to save, okay? So the next step is to go to accounts requested by me, and here click on the new. Now this is the form that you have to complete with the details of your colleague. So all the fields are mandatory, and in case you are stuck, you have to hover over the text and it will give you some more hints. Okay, so I have completed the form. Please note that for the email address, you have to use a company email for your colleague and make sure it's spelled correctly. And for the telephone number, please use numbers only. Replace the plus with two zeros. So don't miss any field because in case one of them is empty, the form will not allow you to finish your request. So the next step is to go to access requested by me, access requested, and enlarge this window. Here is where you look for the projects. So you can only request access to the projects and spaces that your parent organization is involved in. And in case it's a multi-stakeholder space or project, your colleague will have to contact the project leader and ask them to confirm by email to us. I will show you the email at the end, where he has to say that yes, it's fine for this person to have access. So let's say they need access to this one and this one. So we bring it to the right. Now, just one more thing for the multi-stakeholder projects, they have two versions, the full version and the read version. So the full version will give access to the person to see all the costs of all involved stakeholders, and they also can edit. For the read version, they cannot see costs and they cannot edit. So let's say they need access to this read version, and then you save it. So just before clicking on create, go through the form and make sure everything is correct. And if it is, you click on yes. So this is all you have to do at this stage. And I will just explain a few more things. So you will have to enlarge these ones to understand what's going on. So as part of this process, you will receive three notifications. They will have the subject request received, request in process, request authorized. And your colleague will only receive the last one, which says request authorized, with instructions how to set up the password and how to log in. So for example, these two have just been initialized. This arrow means that we have sent it to synchronization. And if it's in green, it means that the person is already set up in STAR. So the synchronization runs twice a day at 12 p.m. and at 7:30 p.m. And that's the time when you should have as an indication whereabout you should expect this person to be set up in STAR. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any further questions, you can use this email address to write to us. And this is also the email address where the project leader should give their consent about this or that request. Thank you.